Hi y'all, and this is a YouTube video about how to install Spire and how to get it working once you're done installing it. So let's get started. I have it installed. I'm gonna uninstall it and do it all over for y'all to show that it's working. And that's my sister in the background. You might hear her make a lot of noise. Uh, so remove. All right. Right now I'm using my iPhone to show you. This works for iPhone, iPad. I don't think it works for iPad. If you want to work for iPad, you have to go to iFile and disable iPad for the iPad to make it work on the iPad, if that made any sense to y'all. But yeah, actually I'm just going to show you how to do it for your iPad. And I think it works for iPad 2 automatically, but it doesn't work for iPad 1. You have to go to iFile and disable something. So I'm going to show you how to install that for iPad. If this is making any sense to y'all, I'm probably talking too fast. Let me slow down. Okay. How can I put this up without me messing? What? Alright, there we go. There we go. Better. Turn it on. Ah, God, my back. Pulled a muscle. Alright. So now, if you have an iPad 1, you want Spire, go back. Keep going back until you get to I don't even know what that is, but once you get to that little cross right there, you go to System, Library. What the hell? Go to Core, Springboard, keep going all the way down. Go to K. Right there. Oops, wrong one, wrong one. Don't go to that one. Go to the one on top. Alrighty. Yeah, there we go. Click the top one. Then you go down to iPad and turn it off. Turn off iPad. Then once you're done that, make sure to reboot your iPad. So you go to Cydia. Install Spire. Ah, shit. Oh, got my back.
Seriously, like, really good. Shut up.
Little Big Planet, yay. Everybody likes Little Big Planet.
She said, shut up 2 times. Like, what the hell? No. I can't use any of those right now.
Oh God, my back, man. I don't even know why I did this.
How'd you do it?
I don't know. That's the whole point. Oh my God, the battery about to die.
Awesome.
How's the battery about to die?
Awesome.
That's not good, y'all. I better hurry up and make this video. Come on, come on. I don't want to skip nothing, so you better hope this thing download fast. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Yeah, hurry up. Alrighty. Oh my God. I'm pretty sure they heard that shit. Pretty sure they heard that shit too. That shit was all. That shit was silent and deadly and shit. Like I know they heard that shit. That, that joke was too funny. I know they heard that joke. They was like, "Did someone just fucking fart?" Shit.
I bet you that's gonna be one of the comments.
That's gonna be a lot of comments. They were like, "That nigga just farted." Oh shit. Oh shit. That was comedy. Sorry for that. That was just comedy right there. Okay. Back to the Siri shit. Alrighty. It's the Siri's install. Go to settings. Let me just turn off my Siri's because I know my settings are gonna be still there. So your one's gonna be off. Keep it off. Make sure to keep it off. Yeah, turn off. Disable. Make sure to keep Spire blank. I don't know why that's in there. So keep that blank. So then click home button. Open the browser. Oops. Open the browser. Put in www dot www.spire.net. So go. And the best server right now is the first one. So what you're gonna do is once you get to the website, look at the corner and you're gonna see that guy name. Click it. Make sure to click that guy name. It's gonna bring you to another screen. It's gonna say install. Make sure to install the right one. Alright, you go back to the website, you go all the way down, and you install the first one. What you do is hold down on it, copy, click the home button, go to settings, go down to Spire, put it in, and return home button. So now we hold it. Oh wait, turn on your Spire and turn on your Siri. Turn on. It's now on. Alright. Now hold down. What time? Oh. What time is it?
It is 1:34 a.m.
See guys, working already. Go. Search. Okay, this is a new server. I don't know how much stuff they have on there or whatever, but I don't think they use the regular Apple stuff. Hold on. Hi.
Sorry, I don't understand.
See, it's kind of retarded. I guess you can say. know what to say to it. Call Mikey.
Sorry, I did not find a match in your phone book.
Oh, it's not that retarded. What's my birthday?
Sorry, I don't understand what my birthday.
Okay, this thing is kind of retarded. What? No. What? I didn't say call mom. This thing is fucking retarded. I'm sorry, y'all. This is this. Huh. Okay. Let me see. Start the timer to 10 minutes.
Sorry, I don't understand Hampton Inn.
Start the timer to 10 minutes. Okay,
Setting the timer.
that
Your
works.
timer is set for.
Cancel the timer.
Sorry, I don't understand. Cancel the time.
Cancel the timer.
Sorry, I don't understand. Sample timer.
You're a fucking dick. Cancel the timer.
Oh my god.
Sorry, I don't understand. Fucking dick. Cancel that.
Oh man, this bitch.
Come on, you wish you were a kid.
Cancel that timer.
Sorry, I don't understand. Cancel that I.
Okay, you know what? I'm not gonna deal with this shit right now. I'm just gonna just end the video now because this thing just getting me mad.